Good morning, second graders. This week we're going to do lesson 15, and it begins on page 502. Vocabulary in context. Read each context card and tell a story about two pictures using the vocabulary words. Number 2. The firefighter talks about fire safety. He teaches about staying out of danger. Number 3. Before crossing the street, stand at attention and look both ways. Number 4. Never swim alone. Always swim with a buddy or friend. Number 5. A police station is a safe place to go if you need help. Number 6. His job is to give a short speech. He will talk about airplane safety. Number 7. She is shocked at how hot it is outside. She needs to get out of the sun soon. And number 8. Enormous. Only the workers can go inside the fence on this enormous work site. So now, tell a story about two pictures using the vocabulary words that we've just talked about. Your spelling words are on page 218 in your reader's notebook. Your words today and this week are compound words. Compound words are two words that have different meanings are brought together to make one word with one meaning. Let's say the word and then spell the word and then say the word again. Cannot. C-A-N-N-O-T. Cannot. Number 2. Pancake. P-A-N-C-A-K-E. Pancake. Number 3. Maybe. M-A-Y-B-E. Maybe. Number 4. Baseball. B-A-S-E-B-A-L-L. Number 5. Playground. P-L-A-Y-G-R-O-U-N-D. Playground. Number 6. Someone. S-O-M-E-O-N-E. Someone. Number 7. Myself. M-Y-S-E-L-F. Myself. Number 8. Classroom. C-L-A-S-S-R-O-O-M. Classroom. Number 9. Sunshine. S-U-N-S-H-I-N-E. Sunshine. Number 10. Outside. O-U-T-S-I-D-E. Outside. Number 11. Upon. U-P-O-N. Upon. Number 12. Nothing. N-O-T-H-I-N-G. The review words. Number 13. Into. I-N-T-O. Number 14. Inside. I-N-S-I-D-E. Inside. You may go ahead and pause this video until you finish page 218. Hi guys, you'll get to read a humorous fiction story this week about Officer Buckle and Gloria, written by and illustrated by Peggy Rathman. And this is a wonderful story that's written to make you laugh, and as you read, look for characters who do or say funny things and events that would not happen in real life. This is a picture of your author. As you read your story this week, make sure that you are thinking, why is it important to follow safety rules? And then also remember to go straight into doing your workbook pages. I'm including directions on how to do those. So this week we will be doing some work with titles for people. Last week we talked about titles of books, but this week we'll be talking about titles for people. A title may be used before a person's name. A title begins with a capital letter and usually ends with a period. For instance, Mr. Raymond is a music teacher. Mr. begins with a capital M and ends with a period. Miss Kobe is a crossing guard. Miss is an exception. However, if you do Mrs., you can put MRS if the lady is married. But many times today we just do an MS period, and that will be if the lady is married, is a widow, or is not married. If she's never been married, MISS is appropriate. So your directions are to write each write each underlined title and name correctly. So you'll look at the abbreviation or the title for Mullen, Miss Mullen, and then what changes need to be made. Back up and see, does Miss have a period? Does Miss have a capital? And then change this to make it correct. As well, do the same for number 2, number 3, Doctor for number 4, and Miss for Smith on number 5. On page 217, find the words in the box that go together to make compound words, and then use the compound words to complete the sentences below. Read each compound sentence. Compound words. Find the word that go to compound words. Find the words in the box that go together to make compound words. Then use the compound words to complete the sentences below. Read each completed sentence. So you're making your words, putting 2 words together, and then you are putting them into the sentences so that they make sense. Make sure you read it after you put the word in it, because you want it to have meaning. Let's do the first one for you. The blank melted on my nose. The snowflake melted on my nose. Got it? So you'd write snowflake right there. Page 218 is our spelling words, and you've already done that page. Remember that abbreviations are not only for the days of the week and special holidays, as we talked about last week, but also for the months of the year. So we can write the whole month out, or we can abbreviate it, and there's examples of those right there for you. They want you to practice writing those abbreviations in numbers 1 through 18. So we talked about topic sentences in class. A good persuasive essay has a goal, reasons, and facts, as well as examples. And so the goal is what the writer wants. The reasons tell why the writer wants the goal, and facts and examples give more information about the reason. So you're to read this essay, persuasive essay, write the goal, and then circle the reasons and underline the facts and examples. Do your best work here. You may want to ask your parents to help you if you get stuck. And this is the schwa sound. So write each word, draw a slash to divide the word between the syllables, and then circle the quieter syllable with the schwa sound. Happen. This is the schwa sound right here, and the schwa sound. So always divide two syllables. Normally you're going to have either a beginning vowel and then like about. So here you're going to be dividing it here. You can clap your syllables or do your body bumps. Talent, talent, talent. So if it's a short vowel sound, it's going to be a consonant, vowel, consonant. And so it's going to be after the L. If it's a long vowel sound, then it'll be divided right after the long vowel, like about. But ta and a have two different sounds, so it's consonant, vowel, consonant, or just the vowel by itself. Nickel. Remember, if you have a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, it's divided between the two consonants. Again, if it's a vowel and then a consonant and then a vowel, if this is a long vowel, it's going to be here. Like in alone. Dragonfly. Anytime you have a compound word, you're going to have it. It's going to be divided between those two words. And drag, is that a or an a? Is it dragon or dragon? It's drag. So that is a consonant, vowel, consonant, and it's going to stay together. Drag. It's also one word. Dragon. So practice saying those, and we'll probably have another mini lesson on those, but do your best, and I'll be sending out the answers at the end of the week. Then you use these words that were up here to fill in these blanks. This is going to be an extra credit sheet. You do not have to do it, but if you would like to go ahead and do that, you can. As well as this page, it is extra credit, not required. Looks like fun though. Do page 224, extra practice with your spelling words, and also do abbreviations, which is page 225. Write each underlined place correctly using abbreviations. To abbreviate road, it's RD. To abbreviate drive, it's DR dot. To abbreviate avenue, it's AVE dot. And then you can also notice down here, this is street, avenue, and road. So they're just giving you some different abbreviations that you'll see in life as you read and write and all that. Definitely do page 226. This is vocabulary. This is to not wrap or to unwrap it, to reverse wrap it. Re means to do again, so stacked again. Let's see, retake, to take again. Est is the most deep. Makes this verb into a noun, so it's not just freeze, it's a freezer. Time is not just telling the time. A timer could be like a clock, a fielder, someone standing in the field. So do your best to fill those in. As well, do your proofreading for spelling sheet, page 227. This is work that you'll be doing this week. And again, on Friday, I will send out the answers for you to check the work. Do your very, very best. Read each sentence, and then rewrite each sentence to change when the action happened. So instead of saying the police officers talk about safety, you would make it, they didn't talk today, but they talked. So past tense is usually going to add an ed. Future is going to usually add a will before the verb. The children listen to them. Well, the children will listen as future. The police officers talked, ed. And then think about future here again. Verbs are the actions. So find 5 verbs that do not tell about the past and fix them. Some of them are past, some of them are present. You're looking for the 5 verbs that are not past, and you're wanting to change these types of verbs to make them past tense. And then you're rewriting the story on the lines. Use good handwriting. Use good handwriting, please. This is more practice with abbreviations, so try to find what is wrong and fix them, and don't worry about doing this bottom.